Genius investor strategies you need to know. Survivorship bias. Study both winners and losers to get a complete perspective. They warn against focusing solely on success stories and emphasize understanding why many investments fail to avoid this bias. Inversion. Tackle problems by thinking backward and identifying what to avoid. They advise understanding what you want to prevent to make better decisions. Use inversion to pinpoint risks and avoid poor investments. Mr. Market. View the market as an irrational entity that fluctuates between extreme optimism and pessimism. They suggest buying when the market is overly pessimistic and selling when it is irrationally optimistic. Margin of safety. Purchase assets significantly below their intrinsic value to minimize risk. This value investing principle highlights that buying at a discount offers protection against market fluctuations and potential mistakes. Circle of competence. Invest only in areas you deeply understand. They emphasize staying within your expertise and avoiding investments in sectors you don't fully grasp. If you don't know how a business makes money, it's best not to invest. Risk-reward ratio. Assess risk in relation to potential reward. They sought out high-growth stocks or 10-baggers while carefully considering the associated risks. Opportunity cost. Evaluate the true cost of a decision by considering the value of the next best alternative. They regularly assess whether an investment is the best use of capital compared to other potential opportunities. Second-order thinking. Consider the long-term consequences and secondary effects of your decisions. They advocate for second-order thinking to foresee opportunities and risks that others might overlook. Mean reversion. Understand that markets tend to revert to the average over time. They use this concept to predict market bubbles and crashes, believing that valuations eventually return to historical norms. Contrarian thinking. Invest when others are fearful. They famously invested during market downturns, such as the Great Depression, and succeeded by going against the prevailing sentiment.